everyone, it's Sam here, and today I'm going to use the 5x7 Secret Messages die set, and I'm going to make a new baby card. So I've got my baby surprise stamp and die set, and then I've got the Secret Messages sentiments. So these are all designed to fit within the sections, but you can obviously use, other sentiments you've got in your stash, and some of the other made to surprise ones will work. My new paper pad, which I absolutely love the prints. Gone for the stripes, and I think I'm going to pull out the squiggles because it matches the embossing folder, which I've used to decorate the front. So in the die set, you get your main die here. So you want to pass that through your die machine. You'll need a larger format machine, and it will cut this for you. I always like to go over these lines here. These are like markers, like guidelines of where your score lines are. So just go over those. And so you've got all of your mats and layers in here. Okay. I'm just going to be using the mats. So just the larger ones. So I've cut two here, two of those small ones. And then for the size, I've just cut two of the large ones there. And then well, I've gone ahead with these ones. So I'm going to have this one is going to slide under, over, under, over. It can be the other way if you want. And then this one will be the opposite. So it's going to go over and then under. And then under. So that's all locked in. Okay, like so. And then what I've done is I've just got a pencil and I've just marked the top and the bottom of all the white sections, so I knew where to stamp. So as you open the cards, we're going to have it closed like this. We have a nice belly band with the topper. Open it up and you're going to have this. And then when you reveal the inside, you're going to see whatever's in here. So I'm going to have so we've got surprise, and it's going to have girl. It's going to be stamped there. So this is the reverse side of this piece at the minute. These pieces under here are what you see from the back when it's open like this. So if I flip it over, and that's where you'd write your message, because you're not going to see that. That doesn't appear when you open this. Okay. So again, I've just marked with a pencil on the tops and the bottom. So if I take that out, keep them on the sides that you're going to have them in the card. So I can have girl here, and then I want to have another little cluster here. So you can see the cluster I've got here. So I want to create another one there. Now, if you're using alcohol markers, you're going to want to cut yourself two more of these again, because the alcohol markers will bleed through. So you're going to have to put two strips in, each one being stamped separately, because yeah, it's just going to bleed right through. But I'm going to use coloured pencils. I'll probably do a video with one where I'm using alcohol markers as well. Now make sure all your surfaces are really clean, because you're working on both sides of this paper. So I'm going to stamp the girl first. That's that one. And then this one here. So to get that little layered image effect, I think I'm going to have the rubber duck. I'm going to have, I think I might have the stalk stamped under the sentiment on the front. Might have the little baby grow. That looks cute. And then maybe if I have that side, have the little booties. You won't really see all that. Oh, I'm going to have the little baby. Yeah, there we go. They're going to fit perfectly together in that space. So I've got the duck at the very front, then the baby, and then the baby grow. So I'm just going to move these to one side. These are just little masks that I've just stamped onto this masking sheet. It's very low tack. You can buy masking sheets in packs, but I'm just using things that I've already got, and I don't use this for anything else. So I thought I might as well use it for this. You can also keep them once you've used them. So for example, on my carrier sheet here, you can see the bear and the bottle, because I use them on the front. So once you've peeled them off, just stick them onto here, and then you've got them for future projects. So I want to take the little rubber duck first of all, and that one's going to go just there and go right almost down to that pencil line. Get that one stamped. It's a very cute image, that one. Just give it a couple of minutes to dry. Take your backing off of your little sticker here, and you're going to place this now right over the top. So that's now protected that image. So next I wanted the baby. coming off to the side there. Okay, again, stamp that one, and then I'm going to use the little mask to cover it. And then the little baby grow. Now I don't need to mask the baby grow off because it's the last one that I'm stamping, and that's going to go right over both of those other images, but you'll only see the top part. Now when you peel off your masks, you want to be careful because some of the ink will probably be wet, but also peel them off in the order that you laid them down. So I'm going to take the baby off next, and just be careful. You peel it back, and then just take this one here. You can get quite a few uses from them. Always love the reveal. There we go. So now I've got all of this stamped, and on this side I'm going to add the little stalks. I think I can get him, judging by that mask, it would just fit in there, and I think that's quite sweet to have on the front. If I'd just gone a little bit higher with the surprise Itza, then I could have had more of that in. I'm just tempted now to, yeah, I think I'm going to just cut this again because it's only sentiments. I'm going to bring that sentiment up a little bit higher, and then I can have a lot more of that image on there. That's my panels already, so that'll be the front, and then that's going to be what's revealed inside. So I'm going to get them all coloured in, rub out the pencil marks as well, and then I'm also going to colour in some more images that I've just stamped for the topper on the front. So once that's all done, I'll be back and we can start putting it all together. Okay, so I've coloured all of the images. You can see both sides there. So it all matches the papers, and then I have also added in some other little sentiments that fit within these sections. So I've added Precious Little One, Baby Love, You Did It, and I Love You. Baby Love and Precious Little One, and they're all from the baby stamp and die set, which is available on the site. So it's just nice to build up all those baby kind of elements, and they all work and coordinate together. And then I just took the You Did It and I Love You is from this set, which is launched with the secret message. So now you can see when you slide these in, so this one is going to go on the left there, and then this one under, over, and then under. So you can see now how it looks when they open up the card. And then when you go to access the secret part, you then reveal the other sentiments. And then on the back, you've got your space for your message. It's really cool. I love this one with like younger kids because they are like, what? Where's that gone? Especially when you go like that, because they just assume it's gone to the back, but it hasn't. It's very clever. You can have it also displayed like that as well, which I think looks good. Then for the belly band, I've just got a piece of 1 by whatever, as long as it's long enough to wrap around the card, but that's going to wrap around like so. I can just add some glue there. And while that's drying, I've got all of these other images, and then I've taken the Yay from my All the Sentiments set. So it's just those ones there. I love this. I use it on so many cards. And I just thought the Yay, kind of like here, up on some foam, and then I can feed in all the icons kind of around it. Okay, so that's the belly band all decorated, and then just carefully slide that off. Like so. And then you've got your hidden message, so that can be just displayed on the front. You can also attach it to one side so it stays, obviously ignore that part, but your decoration, so they just open it up, but then you kind of see it like that. That's why I've always done belly bands. So I think it looks nice. Like so. I think adding some photos, especially in this part, would look really nice. You could cover all of the panels. That's why I think, because you can also fold it down like this and just put ribbon around it. It's really nice to put in a pocket in a mini album or in an envelope as well. But I think it's really fun. Obviously, if you're worried about how if you're giving this to someone and you're not with them, then I would maybe pop a little instruction in it. But 9 times out of 10, you're probably going to speak to that person on their birthday or whatever the occasion is that you're giving the card. You might even be with them, so then you can just show them. So just tell them to push the 2 in the middle together and it will just start to open. But also that's part of the fun. If you just say to them it's a bit of a magic card, you've got to work it out. I think that's the fun part. Like I said, you've got your space there on the back. You can pop some money in there as well. You might even be able to slide a gift card in there as well. I'll have a look at that. And if so, I can do a tutorial showing that. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial showing how to put that all together. Check out all of the others that'll be coming up in a playlist here. Make sure you subscribe, and that way you won't miss out on future videos. And you can find all of the products available over on the Craft Stash website by clicking here. It will also be individually linked in the description box below. See you all again soon. Bye.